Question 1. An SNMP agent receives requests on UDP port A161, B138, C162, D139. The correct answer is A161. Question 2. TCP port 389 is the default network port for ARDP, BLDAP, CSMB, DLDAPs. The correct answer is BLDAP. Question 3. DHCP runs on, select two answers. A UDP port 63, B UDP port 65, C UDP port 67, D UDP port 68, E UDP port 69. The correct answers are C UDP port 67, D UDP port 68. Question 4. After completing initial diagnostic procedures and allocating system resources, a startup BIOS program checks for information about secondary storage devices that might contain the OS. The list of devices and the order in which they should be checked can be found and arranged in the CMO setup utility. This option is commonly referred to as A boot record, B master boot record, MBR, C partition table, D boot sequence. The correct answer is D boot sequence. Question 5. Which of the following is a feature of UEFI? Select all that apply. A mouse support, B DRM support, C support for hard drives with a maximum of 4 partitions per drive, D GUI mode, E secure boot, F designed as a replacement for BIOS, G support for partition/hard drives of up to 2 TB, H network access. The correct answers are A mouse support, B DRM support, D GUI mode, E secure boot, F designed as a replacement for BIOS, H network access. Question 6. BIOS configuration settings can be set to factory defaults by, select all that apply. A using a jumper on the motherboard, B changing settings in Windows Device Manager, C resetting the CMOS battery on the motherboard, D choosing the default configuration option in the BIOS interface. The correct answers are A using a jumper on the motherboard, C resetting the CMOS battery on the motherboard, D choosing the default configuration option in the BIOS interface. Question 7. A computer's BIOS interface can be accessed by pressing, select best answer. A reset button on the front panel of a computer case, B ESC key during boot, C the key set by the motherboard manufacturer for accessing BIOS configuration interface during boot, D delete key during boot. The correct answer is C the key set by the motherboard manufacturer for accessing BIOS configuration interface during boot. Question 8. After replacing a modular hardware component inside a computer case, updated information about specific parameters of the new device can be stored in. Select two answers. A. System BIOS. B. Flash memory. C. Startup BIOS. D. Secondary storage. E. CMOS RAM. The correct answers are B. Flash memory. E. CMOS RAM. Question 9. Which of the following MS Windows utilities provides access to basic information about a computer's BIOS? A. WinVer.exe. B. Misinfo32.exe. C. Control.exe. D. Services.msc. The correct answer is B. Misinfo32.exe. Question 10. Which of the following are a series of basic hardware diagnostic tests performed by a startup BIOS after a computer is powered on? A. SFC. B. POTS. C. CRC. D. POST. The correct answer is D. POST. Question 11. The main functions of a basic input/output system, BIOS, are to perform initial hardware checks after a computer is powered on and to start up an operating system, OS. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 12. Installing USB ports on the front panel of a computer case requires plugging their internal USB connector into a compatible USB header on a motherboard. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 13. Connector cables from a power switch, reset switch, or LEDs on the front/top panel of a computer case attached to their corresponding slots located on the PSU. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is B. False. Question 14. Which of the following is a feature of a motherboard's IDE port? Select all that apply. A. 2 rows of connector pins. B. Hot swappable interface. C. Used with 7 conductor data cable connectors. D. Enables connecting storage devices to a motherboard. E. Serial interface. F. 3 rows of connector pins. G. Used with 40 pin connectors, 40 or 80 conductor ribbon cable. H. Parallel interface. The correct answers are A. 2 rows of connector pins. D. Enables connecting storage devices to a motherboard. G. Used with 40 pin connectors, 40 or 80 conductor ribbon cable. H. Parallel interface. Question 15. What are characteristic features of a motherboard SATA port? Select all that apply. A. Serial interface. B. L-shaped design that prevents improper connector insertion. C. Used with 40 pin connectors, 40 or 80 conductor ribbon cable. D. Hot swappable interface. E. Parallel interface. F. Enables connecting storage devices to a motherboard. G. Used with 7 conductor data cable connectors. The correct answers are A. Serial interface, B. L-shaped design that prevents improper connector insertion, D. Hot swappable interface, F. Enables connecting storage devices to a motherboard, G. Used with 7 conductor data cable connectors. Question 16. The most notable difference between pin grid array, PGA, and land grid array, LGA, packaging relates to the placement of contact pins. In PGA, these pins can be found on the socket. In LGA, they are located on the CPU. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is B. False. Question 17. Which of the following facilitates insertions and removals of a CPU chip in certain types of microprocessor sockets? A. ZIF, B. TPM, C. ZIP, D. FRU. The correct answer is A. ZIF. Question 18. A land grid array, LGA, is a type of integrated circuit packaging noted for having pins arranged in a regular array on the underside of the package. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is B. False. Question 19. A type of daughterboard equipped with expansion slots that enable additional expansion cards to be attached parallel to the mainboard is known as A. Riser card, B. Adapter card, C. Backplane, D. Accessory card. The correct answer is A. Riser card. Question 20. A single lane, X1, PCIe v4.x link offers a maximum throughput of A. 250 MB/s, B. 500 MB/s, C. 985 MB/s, D. 1969 MB/s, E. 3938 MB/s. The correct answer is D. 1969 MB/s. Question 21. Which of the following is the speed of a single lane, X1, PCIe v3.x link? A. 125 MB/s, B. 250 MB/s, C. 500 MB/s, D. 985 MB/s, E. 1969 MB/s. The correct answer is D. 985 MB/s. Question 22. A single lane, X1, PCIe v2.x link offers a maximum throughput of A. 125 MB/s, B. 250 MB/s, C. 500 MB/s, D. 985 MB/s, E. 1969 MB/s. The correct answer is C. 500 MB/s. Question 23. Which of the following values is the speed of a single lane, X1, PCIe v1.x link? A. 125 MB/s, B. 250 MB/s, C. 500 MB/s, D. 985 MB/s, E1969 MB/S. The correct answer is B250 MB/S. Question 24. In PCIe architecture, a single, full duplex, point-to-point serial communication path consisting of two pairs of wires, where one pair is used to transmit data and the other pair is used to receive data, is called A bus, B lane, C rail, D channel. The correct answer is B lane. Question 25. A peripheral component interconnect express, PCIe, is a high-speed, serial expansion bus designed to replace which of the following? Select all that apply. A PCI, B SATA, C USB, D PCIx, E AGP. The correct answers are A PCI, D PCIx, E AGP.